What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kaylin, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this super cute pink synthetic wig that I got from Amazon. First, I'm starting out by slicking my hair back without any product because I wanted to preserve my silk press, and I'm just going to be braiding my hair and pinning it up to the top of my head. I'm taking this Wig Gripper. I got this from a website just like Amazon. They have them as well. Just cost me about $10 for two. And it really does keep your hair secured. And here's the wig. I got it from an Amazon vendor called Galina's Beauty. She has super cute wigs, so go check them out. The wig is linked below. And here you just see me plucking it a bit just to make it look a little bit natural so that part doesn't look too wiggy. And like I always say, I definitely saw the potential in this wig. It was already looking cute and I knew I was gonna like it at the end. I'm using the Salon Pro 30-second lace Bun Glue, and I'm just applying it to that small area where the lace is. This lace was just near the closure, so it wasn't big at all, and I didn't put much glue just because I knew I was going to take the wig off that night. But without the glue, it still was pretty secure with that wig gripper as well. Of course, you're just going to cut that lace right on off. And then we're going to be creating our baby hairs. Y'all know I hate doing baby hairs on wigs, especially the synthetic wigs, so bear with me. My baby hairs ended up being a mess, so I really didn't even have baby hairs. What you see me do is not even what lasted, so whatever. Alright, and now I'm just taking this concealer and I'm putting it along the part. I used about 3 different colors to just get a good match, and now I'm just brushing it on through just to blend it. Look at that. That is so cute and don't even look or feel synthetic. This hair is gorgeous, guys. Definitely check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you'll try this hair. All the details will be in the description box below. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.